The approval deadline exceeded component of the dashboard is a report that shows you all regulatory actions that are assigned to you as a CRM that have a regulatory action expected approval date that is in the past. So if you can see here, all of these that are listed are from a day that is prior to today. So what needs to be done with these registrations is a few possible scenarios. So if we use this one as an example, we might say that this regulatory action was actually approved and it just never got updated. So what we would do is be sure to add all of our attachments, so any emails, submission documents, local documents that were made with this submission, we would add those to the attachment section, review all of the other information, and simply change the state to approved. Another possible solution is that this regulatory action actually ended up being withdrawn, and so for that, you would simply change the status to withdrawn, or maybe possibly it was refused. Change the state to refused, and then this regulatory action would move out of this report. Another possible situation is if the regulatory action is a CHAMP and the expected approval date is now in the past. For these, you'll simply add a CHAMP delay, and you'll make a note here by hitting create, and then add the new estimated approval date. So it will be sometime in obviously the future. So we'll say this is going to be April of next year. Select the reason. Add a comment. And then this information, once saved, will send directly back to D365, and the mock team will be alerted, and you will no longer then have to update the report. You'll notice that those then go off of your report and you get closer and closer to that green status.